If you're having trouble with TikTok saying you are following too fast, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, make sure that you are not following random accounts, and let's say you have some mutual with the person and simply you are following them. But this action should not be done 50 at a time. You have to take it step by step and only follow like 10 people a day. That way you can avoid this you are following too fast problem in TikTok. Another way you can fix it is by tapping on the three bar icon. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then here tap Report a Problem. Expand Account and Profile, then tap Profile Page. Tap Other here. And simply tap on Need More Help. And at this section, you can tap on this other button and you can type in that all the people that you are trying to follow is you know them by some source or they are your inspiration and you have to follow them in order to get some feeds in your TikTok. And after giving a valid reason, all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix your problem.